Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to part 10 of my GMADE BOM build series. This part will involve putting together the body, preparing it, painting it, and finally connecting it with the rear cage and mounting it onto the chassis. Before I continue with the step, I'm going to do my preparation work, which is to mask off the windows as well as mask off any parts that I want to for my paint job. So we'll be right back after I complete that. Okay, we're back, and you can see that I painted the body with Durtrax gunmetal. Oh, actually, Tamiya light gunmetal, sorry. And the stripe here I used Durtrax gunmetal. Didn't come out as well as I would like. As you can see, it's a little bit blotchy here. The Durtrax paint kind of jumbled up, so didn't come out as smoothly as I liked, but it's okay. I'm probably gonna put a roof rack here anyway. The body is all trimmed out. The front grille is all trimmed out. The holes are reamed out for the cage. And what I did here, I actually painted this black underneath, but what I have on top of this is plastic dip to give it that textured flat look. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is put the decals on and take the window masks off and probably put the plastic details on. So we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I've got the body all painted up and decaled. I forgot to take a video of the part where I masked off the body, but you can kind of take a look at this painting scheme I've done. Some of the paint came out a little bit blotchy, as I stated. This Durtrax paint, for some reason, it just came up out of the can blotchy and I didn't expect it. But it's okay. Alright, so as far as how we're going to mount this, temporarily using some used Lexan. I created a used Lexan mount, Velcro right here. It's a temporary mounting point that I use because eventually I'm going to use something else to mount the body, but for right now I'll just use this. You can see here at the rear cage I've also got this decaled up. Alright, so we're going to move on to step 63, which is putting the front grille on. And we've got these parts right here. Now, I actually may not put this on because I actually bought the black grille. And here's the part number. I'm going to test fit both of them and see which one I like. One of the problems with the black grille is I'm going to have to paint the light buckets to get that chrome inner for the lights. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and continue building with the stock parts first. So that means using the chrome grille. Step 63, you'll need these parts right here and two 2.6 or 2.5 by 6 millimeter wrench bolts. Now, I don't have LED lights ready to go yet, but if you did, you would put your LED lights in now and connect these to the light buckets. So the rest of the step, you would take this 3M tape that's provided here, stick it to the edges of the grill, bottom, top, and the sides, and you would go ahead and stick it to the body like that, to the cab, and it would just stick there with the 3M tape. And that would complete step 63. Step 64, you're going to need these parts. Those are 3mm washers, 2.5 by 8 wrench bolts, 2.5 by 6 wrench bolts, and 3 by 8 round head bolts. These are the backings for the mirror. They're labeled right and left. See here, this one's labeled right. And this one here is labeled left. that completes step 64. Alright, it's been a long time coming, and we're finally at the final step of this GMADE BOM build series, and that's step 65, and that is finally putting on the body onto the chassis. So with this body just has these pegs that slide into the rear mount right there, and it's a hinge, so just close it up like that, and we are finally complete. Let's take a good look. Let me go somewhere where you can get a better view of this. Alright, that completes the stock buildup of the GMADE BOM, and I will probably start doing the few upgrades I have time for it right away. But as far as the build series goes, it is now complete. Thanks for watching.